Before you start, calibrate the bandsaw and ensure that your blade is absolutely 90 degrees to the bed plate surface. With my method, there are a total of 16 cuts, leaving uncut links at the centre and both ends. During the process, I will use painter's tape to hold the workpiece intact and square. Cut to the outside of the mark profile and try not to cross it. As you can see, 15 of the 16 cuts have been made, and the painter's tape is in place holding the whole assembly together. We're now going to make the last cut and then separate the parts. And that's the rough leg ready for sanding and fairing.